What's up guys, I'm Paul Serra. I knew I wanted a hair transplant for about 2 years. And then the big thing that really separated them from the other clinics is I wanted a little bit of like a drawing before, and whoever I was speaking with sent me back the line that I wanted through text message, which was huge for me. It made me feel so comfortable and safe. Then when we get to the surgery part, they bring me in for surgery. I was super nervous, I'm not gonna lie. It was a long surgery because I did hair and beard, but because they gave me anesthesia, it was pain-free. So if you're nervous at all about the pain, do not let that stop you at all. They take care of everything. Day 3, Istanbul, tour with the boys. Turkish shit only, baby. Istanbul.
Pool and water.
Heel from surgery.
Salud.
Salud.
You hair don't care.
Very good. Hair Center of Turkey. Amazing, beautiful day. Tour day, day 3. Tomorrow, one more wash and then we're done. Get your transplant next. Saw the whole city, the tour, the service, everything. Pick me up. Beautiful things I've never seen. Grand Bazaar right now. Amazing shopping, things I would have never seen in my life. Amazing. Don't wait. Hair Center of Turkey. Get your hair transplant. Do it now.